Hey, Realtors. The lead generation companies are going to hate me for this. If you're in the top 20%, move on. But for the rest of you, stay tuned for this. It's time for the truth. I've been racking my brain for over 27 years trying to figure out why only 13% of real estate agents experience success in the real estate industry. I finally figured it out, and it's not about not enough leads. It's called opportunity anxiety. So opportunity anxiety is the fear or hesitation to pursue new opportunities due to self-doubt or feelings of unworthiness, despite recognizing their potential for growth or improvement. So how many times has opportunity knocked and you either weren't ready, or you didn't answer the door, or you didn't have the confidence to?
So it's not about leads or not enough leads. 87% of agents are actually scared of leads. I know you don't want to admit this, but let me ask you this. Are you chasing leads hoping that will solve your business problems? It's tempting, isn't it? More leads, more sales, more success. That's what you're being taught. But let's pause for a second. Imagine you get 50 leads tomorrow. Sounds great, right? But what happens when those leads don't convert? When they walk away unimpressed, or worse, they choose to list with your competitor? It's not about the leads. It's about what happens after they find you. Are you the best choice for them? Be honest. Are you a true specialist? Someone who stands out because you've mastered your craft? Leads will come, but are you ready for their objections, their concerns? And have you developed your value proposition? Are you ready to control the meeting? Or did your manager just give you a bunch of franchise propaganda to talk about? Leads will come, they always do. They're everywhere, but your success doesn't depend on how many people you attract necessarily. It depends on how ready you are to serve them when they arrive, and how skillful you are at what you do, and how skillful you are at communicating that to them. We call that conversion rates. The more skilled you are, the higher your conversion rate. Unskilled agents have a conversion rate of 1 per 100, 1%. No wonder so many fail. No wonder they think that leads are bad leads. There's no such thing as a bad lead. This is what's holding you back. You have opportunity anxiety because you haven't learned to be a master yet. Mastery builds trust. Trust creates relationship. Relationship leads to loyalty. And loyalty, that's what leads to sustainable success. Are you trying to play the short game and shortcutting your success? So before you chase the next shiny get more leads promise, ask yourself, have I truly mastered what I offer? Am I truly the best choice? Because when you become the go-to specialist, the leads don't just come, they stay, and they become your lead generators for you. The most powerful lead generation platform there is, word of mouth. Don't just chase leads or even buy leads until you are a master of your craft. The rest will follow, I promise. Yes, you have to put out some effort and maybe some money to generate leads, but before all of that, invest in yourself first so that you can convert at a high level. Become a listing master and you will never run out of leads. Go to listingsuccessacademy.com to learn more about becoming a listing master.